Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming up with an error on Windows 10 where it says that the backup application cannot start due to an internal error. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process of how to go about resolving the issue. And we're going to go start by opening up the start button, just left click on the start menu one time. And we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the start menu. Just go ahead and left click on the start button one time. Type in troubleshoot. One of the best matches should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that one time. Now on the right side you want to go select underneath find and fix other problems. Scroll down. On the right side you want to select Windows Update and then left click on run the troubleshooter. And if it gives you any prompts, I'd suggest following along with it. Most cases should just say next and it'll go about trying to resolve any issues it finds. And it should give you a list of prompts it found as well as anything that was detected. You can see it was able to fix service registration is missing or corrupt, and it looks like it's detected a pending restart. So just go ahead, more than likely probably good to restart your computer at this point, and hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.